Hey everyone, I am Liza from Kid Museum, and today we're gonna talk a little bit about some paper and cardboard mechanics. And so the first thing we're gonna talk about is how we can create paper and cardboard structures that move. So the way we're gonna do that is by creating movement around one pivot point. So you can see here that I have this alligator, and the tail moves, and the head can move up and down. And we're able to do that by attaching multiple pieces together with these brass fasteners or brads. One way that I like to do that, I have my cardboard dog here, all drawn and standing up. And my favorite way to create pieces that can move is by having my object and then deciding what pieces of it do I want to move. So on my dog, the part that I want to move is the tail. So I have my tail drawn here already. And now to get it to move, the first thing I'm gonna do is cut its tail off. It won't hurt, I promise. I now have my dog and I have the tail. I need to attach these two pieces together using a brass fastener, and then the tail can move up and down. So, the safest way to create a hole in a piece of cardboard is by laying it down flat and then poking a hole with a pencil where I want it to attach. So I poke and then I'm just gonna twist, and I'm gonna do the same thing on this piece of cardboard. We wanna be careful not to do that too high in the air so that we don't run the risk of poking ourselves with our pencil. Then I'm gonna take this brass fastener and poke it through the hole, like that. And then poke it through the second piece of cardboard. Now, on the back of the brass fastener, it has these two legs that fold open. So I'm gonna fold one going one direction and the other going the other direction so that it lays flat and secure. And now I have a tail that can wag. And we call it a movable joint just because that is how our body works, that we have movable joints, just like our elbow. The two pieces of our arm are connected and then can move back and forth. And that's what we've recreated here. We have two pieces that are connected and can move back and forth. So what can you create out of paper or cardboard that has movable joints?